In this video, I will show you how to add the Affiliate X product image block. The Affiliate X product image button block provides option to add multiple call to action buttons for an affiliate product that can be linked to the online stores selling the respective product. It also allows adding a price tag to each button so that customers can compare the prices on each website. This is the demo page, and these are the variations of layouts for the Affiliate X product image button block. Let's see how we can achieve one of these layouts. On a page or post editor, click on the add block icon. Look out for Affiliate X image product button block. Here it is. Now click on it. Alternatively, you can also search for the block from the search box. So here is our block, and if you select the block as a whole, you will see all of the settings for Affiliate X product image button block. I have also opened the same post in the new tab here so that you will be able to see the differences in the end. Let's go back. Now, before we dive into these settings, let's add some content first. Let's add in the image. Click on Upload Image. Then select the image of your choice and click on Select. As you can see, we already have a button here. If you wish to add in more buttons, you have to click on the plus icon. If you want to add in more, you can add more following the same process. I have added 4 buttons in total. After adding the buttons, you can change the content of buttons from here. So instead of view on Amazon, let's add in something else. I will also change the price here. Following the same process, I have also changed the content for the rest of the buttons. Now, if you select any one of these buttons by clicking on the button itself, the settings for the button block will be displayed on the right hand side. I have created a separate in-depth video tutorial on Affiliate X button blocks where I have explained all of these settings in detail. So please make sure you check that video out. You will find many more options for buttons, like changing the layout. You can select price button or you can select the default button. Then from under button settings, you will find a bunch of options like setting the border radius for your button, setting the button size, as well as the button width and more options. For now, I will only change the colors of the buttons. So let's go to color. You can change the price tag color from here. Instead of blue, we will select black. Now let's select the second button. For the second button, also I'll go to colors. Then I will change the background color. Similarly, for the price tag color, I will select black. Then following the same process, I will change the color settings of the last 2 buttons. Now, if you select the block as a whole, you will find the settings for the product image block on the right hand side. Let's go through these one by one. First is the general settings. Here, you will be able to enable or disable the product image. Then you can also select image alignment from left to right. You can select image width. You can select inherit or you can customize the image width by adding the image width value here. Let's go with inherit. Then you can also select the image source. You can upload it like we did earlier, or you can select external or site stripe image source. If you select external, then you have to add in the external image link here. To give you an example, I have already opened the link to the external product here. Now all you have to do is click on the image, right click, then click on copy image address, Let's go back. Then you have to paste the link here, which will then display the image from the external link. For now, I will go with the uploaded image. Then you can also select the box shadow. Click here, you can select the color. Then you can click on adjust. Just make sure that the box shadow option is enabled at first. Then you can play around with the rest of the settings to select the perfect box shadow for your product image button block. As you can see, slight shadow has already been added. Next is the title settings. Here you can enable the title. Then you can add in the product title. Then you can select the product heading tag from the list of available options. You can select the title alignment from left, center or right. Let's go with the center alignment, which is also the default alignment. Then with the help of border settings, you will be able to add border to your product image button block. First of all, you have to click here, then select the button of your choice. If you don't want any border, you can simply click on none. Or else, you have to select one of the border style. Click here, then select the color first. Then you have to add in the border width. Just add in a value here, which will then display the border on the top direction. If you lock this value, it will apply the same value across all directions. Similarly, you can add in a border radius. Just like with the border width, add in a value, click on the lock icon, and it will be implemented across all the directions. Adding the border radius helps you to achieve a slightly rounded border. Next is the colors. Here, you can choose the color for the product title and also configure the background for the block. Right now, the title color is black. If you want to add in some other color, like let's say blue for example, then you can change the color to blue. You have to first of all select the background type, whether you want the solid color or gradient. I will go with the solid color. Then you have to click on the background color. Then you can select the background color of your choice. Okay, let's go with this grayish blue color, light blue. Next is typography. This setting allows you to configure font setting for the product title. You can select the font family. You can select the font style, as well as the font size, line height, and letter spacing. Next is spacing. You can assign the margin and padding value for the product image button block from here. After you are done, click on Update. Now let's go back to the front end and we will give it a refresh. And here, the product image button block has now displayed. If you have any questions or queries regarding the video, please do let me know in the comments section below. Or even better, you can directly reach out to our support team. I have added the link to creating support ticket in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in our next video.